Let's begin.
Our robotic car, and it is controlled by this remote. Okay, so I will tell you what are the components we are using here. So we are using first this side is a transmitter side. We are using Arduino Nano, accelerometer ADXL 335, then NRF module which has a range of 1 kilometer. Then we have power module to give power to these components, and 9-volt battery to power on the complete circuit. Okay, and then on the receiver side we have NRF module again, okay, with the transmitter and receiver. This is a trans receiver module. Okay, and then we have the wheels, then motor driver to control these motors. Okay, and this one is our bidirectional motor driver. So directly we cannot control these motors, so we need this module, and Arduino will receive characters, or you can say data, through this NRF module. So we are giving some gestures. Okay, it will be received at this point, and Arduino will control the motor according to the characters we are sending. Okay, so that is the basic working of the project. And this one is MDF board. These are L clamps, dummy wheels, and 8-volt battery which is giving power to 7805 power supply, and also to L293D motor driver to control these motors. Okay, for more details you can check descriptions, and you can check our website to buy this project. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, we are from XiLiR Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware, projects and products globally. XiLiR Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech Ph.D. thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.